What's up, y'all? So I am in the Girl Plus Guy warehouse today, and I just wanted to give you a quick updated warehouse tour, let you know why I am getting rid of all of my inventory and going back to print on demand, drop ship, and kind of 50% in the warehouse, and just kind of update you, you know, check in a little bit, show you what I got going on. All right, so this is like our packing station. Is where I have like our poly mailers and computer, all that good stuff. You see, I use two different label printers. That's the Dymo, that is the Rollo. I'm currently using a Rollo, but it's preference. And everything else is just like supplies, cameras, that kind of stuff. More boxes and things. This is the last bit of the journals that we had. I had ordered hundreds and hundreds of these. And so these are the last ones. So those are on sale now, and they'll probably be gone very soon. It's our little basket from Uline. Our table. So last year this time, there were t-shirts literally everywhere, like all over these shelves. And I was like, I gotta hurry up and get shelves. There has to be all kind of shelves. And there were not shelves, but there were t-shirts all over these tables. And now, as you can see, I am clearing it out. I am getting rid of a lot of our inventory in-house, just because I know what is working best for me and my business. And as I get busier in my other business ventures, it is just hard for me to operate a full-time warehouse operation. All right, so this is kind of one of the boxes that is packed up. This was a test. We never released this, but it's like elephant print or something. Baby, when I say we gets it in with the designs, we don't be playing. This is the Black Girl design. This is puff print. And for those of you that ask about our different type of shirts, it's next level, pretty much use next level and a lot of Bella canvas. Look, we got the pink, wait, why I can't think about what that's called. What's it called? It's the, I cannot think about it. But I know you're going to tell me in the comments, and I'm going to think about it when I get done with this. Camo? Yeah, camo, yeah. Green, puff. It's all kind of designs in here. So we are going to get these packed up to go. We got the gold sparkle. We've had gold sparkle. We've had gold foil. I love this kind of gold with the blue. That is so pretty to me. Red, this is puff print, so it's like sticking out. Yes, we got some tanks in here, blue. It's all kind of stuff in this box. All kind of stuff. And you can only imagine how many I have at home. It's like 1 million. I have a whole closet full of our merch. So I'm like, I be in here like, ooh, I want this. Like, no, girl, where you gonna put it? Got some small boxes because we do have little accessories and things. This is our tablecloth if we go out, and then says Girl Plus Guide on it. Some hoodies. So this is just all the stuff that is packed up and ready to go. I love this color combination. What size is this? It's a 4X. I can't fit that. So yeah, we got stuff packed up, ready to go. Like I said, last year it was like full, and this is just the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Laptop cases. This was from our holiday campaign. So see, we have Me and God, or Me Plus God journals. Some good stuff in here. My hair all in the way. So this is just what is left in here. Ooh, look at the 4th of July. We got the shirt I got on today. That's the silver. It's cute. It's like a rose gold. Black Girl. So some of these, a couple more journals. So yeah, this is the last of it. And this is, this is dough, just the dough. But yeah, this table is completely empty, and I'm like, man, we had so much stuff in here, and now it's like our sermon notes journals, our blank girl plus God journals, and like I said, these are our wealth planners that we are almost done with. So yes, and if you haven't seen my warehouse tour, this is the back wall. My scripture, of course, because, I wanted this up there so I never forget what I'm doing this for, because, it can get a little stressful and you be like, all right, I'm sick of this. But yes, this is what I am getting rid of. This is the last of the inventory in the warehouse. And so I'm going to show you guys what this space gets transformed into as I move forward with one of my latest and greatest ideas that I'm so excited about. Move this. It's some good stuff in here though. So yes, I will show you an update once I transform it. But like I said, gonna go ahead and get this stuff from in here and move to having a company drop ship it for me. We also do print on demand, and yeah, that's that. This is my lobby, which I moved the furniture out of here so that I could film in here when necessary. And if you haven't seen it, there are scriptures all over the place. Conference room, which I'm probably gonna turn into a place to film. My office. And all that stuff. And I also want to make sure I show you guys, this is our box full of stuff that we had and we're testing for our boutique line. And I'm going to do a video on this too, just about starting a boutique and how different it was for me to do boutique stuff versus t-shirt stuff. If you're interested in like fashion, because it's definitely different than the t-shirt game. So I learned a whole lot with that. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what was going on in the warehouse while I was getting rid of my inventory. And this is just working best for me right now to do half in the warehouse, have, a part-time person. I come in here to do this, but then mostly focus on sending people to the website, and then a dropship company or print on demand company take care of it so that I can focus on some of the new things that I'm doing, some of the new business ventures. I'm excited to see what I transform this into, and excited for you to see it too. And I'm thankful. I'm so grateful for this place. I'm grateful for the lessons. Some of them have been costly, but I'm still grateful. And the more I learn, the more that I can give my community, the more that I can give to you, the more that I can teach, so it's great for me. I love all the little things that I've discovered about my brand in this warehouse. And it's just a lot though. It's a lot to run a full-time warehouse operation. It's a lot, when you got to deal with a lot of employees, labor costs, just liabilities that can happen in a warehouse space. And my warehouse is not that big, as you can tell. The total space is around 17 square feet. So it's not that big, but it's a lot. And I'm like, I got a lot going on and a lot of other business ventures. It's hot as hell, but I'm thankful and I'm grateful. And that's what you have to kind of move with, is see what works for you in your business. And sometimes your peace of mind, you got to move with that. And I'm happy where I am right now. I'm happy with what is going on with my brands. And all I can do is be grateful for that and move forward. And, you can't look at what everybody else is doing and be like, I got to do it like this. I got to do it like that because such and such does it like that. You got to do it how you need to do it, based on your money, your time, like I said, your peace of mind, and go from there. And seasons change. What works in one season may not work in another. So you got to be able to pivot and be flexible so that you can be successful in your business and businesses to come, right? So that's where I am right now. I'm just allowing myself to be in the flow of what's working for me right now. And I feel good about that. I feel good. So I'll keep you posted on like what I transform this space into as I get rid of this last inventory. And like I said, I'm excited. Just wanted to update you on what is going on up in here. What is going on right now is it's hot, so I'm gonna finish shipping these orders that we have. Forgive me, I was shaking the camera. And I will let you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, show me some love, right? Because we trying to get to 100K over here. I need your help, right? Tell a friend and tell another friend and a friend to come on over here, get some of these good updates from Krystal Lee. And I'm excited about your business. Thank you for supporting me and my brand and my channel and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.